I'm going to show you how to deploy and verify your contract on Opbnb with zero coding knowledge. Let's go. First, you need to have BNB on Opbnb by bridging BNB from BSC to Opbnb. The next step is to ask ChatGPT to write you a simple ERC20 smart contract. You can set the name, the symbol, and the total supply. ChatGPT came out with this line of code. However, we cannot use this one because this one is imported from OpenZeppelin, which means it is impossible for us who doesn't know anything about code to verify this smart contract on the Opbnb scan. So what we need to do is ask ChatGPT to do not import from anywhere and write you a brand new smart contract that has the same requirements. Alright, now that we have our code, let's deploy it. There are a lot of apps you can use to deploy your contracts on, but I'm using remix.ethereum.org. And we're in. Alright, next, navigate to the create new file and put in the name. And remember to .sol at the end. Alright, now we have our own board to work with. Now, the next step is to copy the code, go back to Remix and Ctrl-V paste it in. If there is a warning sign, click OK. But keep in mind you need to use a brand new fresh wallet to avoid any hacks or any compromised code from ChatGPT. Be careful. Go to the compiler in the left side. Click on Auto Compile. Okay, my code is compiled successfully, but if there's any error, just go back to ChatGPT and ask it to change the code accordingly. Go to Advanced Configurations. Under EVM version, choose London and enable optimization. Once it's done, it should look like this. Next, go to Deploy and Run Transactions. Under Environment, choose Injected Provider MetaMask and connect your MetaMask to Remix. Remember to change your MetaMask network to Opbnb Mainnet to deploy your contract on Opbnb. After that, click Deploy. It will cost you a little bit of gas fee, but it's very insignificant. And it's done. Here is your deployed contract on Opbnb Mainnet. Click Copy. Go to opbnbscan.com. Paste it in. And voila! You have successfully deployed a smart contract on Opbnb Mainnet without any coding knowledge. The final step and the most important step is to verify your contract. Click on Contract and Verify. You need to connect your Twitter account to Opbnb Scan to do so. Once you're in, paste the smart contract address that you just created in the contract address. Compiler type, use single file. For the compiler version, go back to Remix and go back to Solidity compiler, and here we go. This is your compiler version. It's 0.8.22. This one right here. Open source license type, go back to the code and you can see that the license identifier is MIT. So go back and choose MIT license. Hit continue. Optimization, click on yes, because you just click on enable optimization when you run the code. Make sure that the run in the optimizer is the same in the code. Under the Solidity source code, just go back to the Remix, Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy all of this code, and then Ctrl V to paste it in. You don't have to put in constructor arguments, just leave it blank. And then under EVM version to target, choose London, because we chose London in here. Go back and verify yourself as not a robot. Verify and publish. And voila! Your contract is now verified on Opbnb. Click on the contract and see that it has a green tick. So congratulations, you just deployed and verified your own smart contract on Opbnb with zero knowledge. Keep in mind, this is just a fun tutorial, so make sure to deploy this contract with a fresh and new wallet that does not have any money in it. Thank you so much for watching. Daily out.